Hi guys, I'm Varun here. I'm here to explain my 10th experiment of principles of compiler, system software and principles of compiler design. And this experiment is about intermediate code generation. And here I'm supposed to convert the given arithmetic expression to three address codes. Here I'm supposed to get an expression as an input as shown here, and then scan the statement from left to right and frame new statements such that it performs one operation at a time, either assignment or arithmetic or relational operations. Display the new set of statements. And here I have done the program. So first I have imported the required packages, and then the class compiler then was created with a character 2D array precedence slash star. There's a 2D character array has been created, and then another class check precede has been created, and then the for loop is used to run the loop as number of times as the precedence array goes. And then if precedence I dot is 0 is equal to TOK, which is equal to the first character, then it returns the integer dot parsent precedence I of 1, which is equal to -1, return -1. Then in the main function, it has given that the required variables has been declared, and then after declaring, buffer reader has been used to read the input stream from a file, and then I have got the input from the user, and then used for loop to run the process, and then I have created another for loop to run the characters that was right now present in the precedence array, which checks whether which separates the token and breaks it, and then I have used another for loop to separate the operators and check whether how many expressions that contains in the given input, and if there was more than two or three expression, then it's supposed to make the first expression as a single variable, and it makes the second expression as another variable and third as another variable. And if this both expression is has been added or multiplied or did or it ever did any operator or any operations on it, then it displays it as a single variable. And now let's see how the program runs file. And here I'm entering the expression as a plus b minus c minus d, and it shows as t1 is equal to a plus b, and t2 is equal to t1 minus c, and t3 is equal to t2 minus d. And that's it guys, thank you for watching.